So for this question, question 14, given that f of x is equals to 2x minus 4 and g of x equals to 3x plus 5, find g f of 3. G, f, and then 3 there. What it means is you take the 3 and replace it for x in that f. So you go to f, the 3 goes there. So it becomes 2 times 3 minus 4. 2 times 3 is 6 minus 4 is 2. And then you take that 2, you replace it x in that g. And it becomes 3 times 2 plus 5. 3 times 2 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11. So that's how you get that answer. So what happens with this type of questions are you are replacing the number, replaces the x for the first one, and you get the answer. You take this answer and replace the x in the one behind. So it's GF. Replace x in F, get the answer, and then replace x in G and get the final answer. And then for part B is to work out the inverse expression for f of x. F of x is that. To inverse, you're working, here you have plus 4 and times 2. So, sorry, minus 4 and times 2. So you do the opposite of minus 4, which is plus 4, and the opposite of times 2, which is divided by 2. So the inverse would be x plus 4 and divide by 2. All you're doing is, another way to say it is to make x the subject. If you have y equals to 2x minus 4, you make x the subject. And you make x the subject by taking minus 4 to the left. It becomes y plus 4. And then it's times 2x, you divide by 2, and you get x on its own. So this type of question, F inverse, means make x the subject. That's the best way to look at it. Make x the subject. And you can look at it, you start with minus 4 and times 2. The inverse will be plus 4 and divide by 2. And then the part C, solve f of x equals to g of x. So you go to the question, that's f of x at the top there, and that's g of x. Since the question says f of x is equal to, you write f of x and you write g of x. So this one is f of x is equals to g of x. Now you solve that equation. This is an equation that has x on both sides. So you want to put all the x on one side and solve it. So you can take the 2x to the right. It's plus 2x. When it goes to the right, it becomes minus 2x. And then you will have, to solve the equation, you have minus 4 is equals to 3x minus 2x plus 5. 3x minus 2x is x, so minus 4 is equals to x plus 5. And to get x on its own, you take the plus 5 to the left, so it's minus 4 minus 5 is equals to x. Minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9 equals to x. And how do you check if your answer is correct? You take that 9, that's your answer of minus 9, you put it there, and you put it there. 2 times minus 9 is minus 18, minus 4 is minus 22. 3 times minus 9 is minus 27. Minus 27 plus 5 is minus 22. So that means your answer for x is correct. So that's how you do this question 14. for a total of 6 marks.